and I'm going to show you the process of what happens when we are scanning plaster study models to digitise them and create our digital archive rather than storing the plaster models physically. So I'm just using an example of a set of models. These are my own models, so that we don't have to worry about patient details. Small piece of blue tack goes onto this magnetic plate. We just push the models onto the blue tack so it holds them in place. This is magnetised so that it all goes into the one place and holds nice and steady. We close the door and that's it, it's off and running. So the scanner's now scanning the models, taking lots of small photos and stitching them all together, and the image will start to appear on the screen just as we sit and wait on it scanning. Look at that yellowy cream colour, which is just the default colouring that they use for the models. The lower model, same process, using the blue tack, pop it back in, and once again just builds up the same picture as it's going along. But here we are, we've got the scan up again, and so our next stage is to scan the occlusion. So take the models out, pop them into occlusion. They just go into this handy little clamp. It has the same markings on the bottom to go into the magnet, and off it goes. So this will create a picture of the upper and lower models in occlusion, and it will stitch the two other images that we've already created into this and align everything in place so we can move them around, we can open them up, we can do all sorts of things with other software afterwards. So here we are, the sort of bare image of the models in occlusion. We can click here to see the alignment results. These will pop up just in a second or two. So there it's showing us the models in a nice occlusion. We can manipulate them around the screen, and we can look in from the palatal side, lingual side, and that all looks fine.